Hello everyone, I'm Chun Keat and my teammate is Jun Hong. We are from TFT Group 15. In this video, we will present our AACS2034 Fundamental of Computer Network assignment. So, let's ride! In this video, we will talk about network scenario, network design, calculation, subnetting IP, addressing table, and digital resource. First, I will talk about network scenario. As network engineers, we need to design and implement a network for media wave broadcaster, which include buildings in several locations. It is involved in three locations: location A, location B, and location C. There are 7 departments to set up network. So it's administration, newsroom, production, marketing, human resource, engineering, international news. So now let's look at location A. There are 3 floors in it. Administration is located at second floor. Newsroom is located at first floor. Production is in ground floor. As you can see, marketing, human resource, engineering is located at location B. In location C, we have international news A and B in it. Distance between location A and B is 500 meters, while location A and C is 200 meters. So now we move to network design. This is the look of network topology we design. We're using 7 switch and 1 router. Each switch is connected to 2 to 3 sub-switch and sub-switch connected to the end device. We decided to use PTMT as our router and switch model. 3560 multi-layer switch as sub-switch model. We use copper straight-through cable to connect between router and switch, switch and end device. While connect between switch and sub-switch, we use copper crossover cable. Now, next, we move on to calculation part. So, number of hosts required is being given. We will using classful IPv4 addressing scheme. First, we will choose the largest number of hosts required. Next, we're gonna find out that 2 power of what will equal or larger than 450. So it's 9 lah. Then we will use 9 for all department as maximum host. So 2 power 9 will become 520. When a number larger than 256, we will carry to next number. 420 we will carry 2. By using the IP address 10000/8, we add 2 at network address. Next, we're doing CIDR, so we use 22 minus 9 to get CIDR. We use 23 convert to binary form. And we use binary form turn to subnet mask. Ta-da! We find first usable address by +1. And we find broadcast address by -1. So we use broadcast address -1 to get last usable address. So we need to calculate the growth of 25% in all area. After we time 125%, we repeat the same calculation we did just now. That's all my presentation. Now I will pass to my teammate Jun Hong to continue discuss how to assign IP address.
Thank you, Chun Keat. My name is Chun Hong from TFT Year 2 Sem 3 Group 15. Now I will explain how we assign our IP address. So this is our addressing table. Our assignment has 7 departments, so we discussed to use 1 router to connect to 7 main switch. So for router connect to the switch, we use the fast Ethernet. This is the interface and the subnet mask we get from the subnet table, and the IP address we follow the sequence. So for the first First, fast internet is the administration department. The subnet mask and default gateway we follow 10.0.0.1, and the IP address we assign to the end device start from the 10.0.0.2 and follow the sequence. The next one is fast internet 1/0 is the newsroom department. The subnet mask and the IP address 10.0.2.1. We follow default gateway 10.0.2.1, and the IP address we assign to the switch and the end device is start from 10.0.2.2 and follow the sequence. So for the following is the remaining department and their IP address. This is the third department followed by the third IP address, the default gateway, and the remaining department follow the default gateway, follow the sequence. So next part, we talk about network configuration. So for the router, first part we need to do is we key in enable and configure. We need to set up our fast internet. So we enter interface fast internet 0/0, and we assign our IP address 10.0.0.1 and follow the subnet mask 255.255.254.0, and last we enter no shutdown. Then we complete our IP assign IP configuration. So next part, after we assign the IP address and the subnet mask, we need to set our password for the router. We need to set for line console. So we enter line console 0, we enter password CLA33, login followed by exit. Next, we also need to set the same password but different level. We key in line VTY 0 followed by 15. Also key in the same password CLA33, login and exit. The last part, we need to set our secret password. Our secret password is lowercase AA followed by uppercase CS2034. After we key in the enable secret password, the last part is service password encryption. We key in the service password encryption to encrypt our password. So for the switch, it's the same as router. First key in enable and followed by configure, and we also change the host name to S1. After that, we key in interface VLAN 1. We assign the IP address 10.0.0.2 followed by the subnet mask. Next is no shutdown. After we assign our IP address, we need to set the default gateway. So we enter IP default gateway 10.0.0.1. After we set our IP address, we also need to set up our password for the switch. First one, also key in the line console 0 followed by password CLA33, login exit. For the VTY, also the same password CLA33, login and exit. So for the secret password, we use the same secret password, lowercase AA, uppercase CS2034. Last part, service password encryption to encrypt our password. So for the end device, we assign our IP address to go into the IP configuration part and assign the IP address and the subnet mask and the default gateway into the correct space. So next, we talk about ping connect. This is our network topology for the administration department. We try to ping the laptop LP1 to the newsroom department PC4. We first see what is the IP address for the PC4. We copy the IP address, go back to the laptop 1, we try to ping, paste the IP address. So it will successfully to ping to the PC. So we next use different department. We use the engineering department PC22. We try to ping to marketing department PC11. So first see the IP address, we copy and back to the PC23. Try to ping. So it has 25% loss, we try to make it 0%, so we ping again. So for this time, it is successfully 0% loss. That's all for our presentation. Thanks for watching.